students, today topic is applications of first order ordinary differential equation. This exercise full and full large problem. First read the problem again and again and taking the first order differential equation, solving we get answer. Okay. First Ex number 10.8, sum number 1. The rate of increase in the number of bacteria in a certain bacteria culture is proportional, very important, proportional to the number of present, proportional to the number of present. Given that the number of triples is 5 hours, the number of triples is 5 hours, find how many bacteria will present after 10 hours. First initial stage 5 hours and after 10 hours how many bacteria will be present. This is question. After 10 hours. First let P be the bacteria. P or A. Let solution. Let A be the number of bacteria. A be the number of bacteria and let time T and T be the time taken. By the given instruction, the rate increase, rate means dA divided by at time t. The rate increases is the number of bacteria. So dA divided by at that time dt is proportional to A. A means a bacteria amount or number of bacteria. TA divided by dt is equal to some constant into A. Some constant into A. Next dA divided by A is equal to K into dt. Integrating both sides, we have dA divided by A is equal to K into integral dt. dA by A is log A is equal to kt plus log C. Log A minus log C is equal to kt. Log A minus log B is log A by B. So log A by C is equal to kt. A by C is e to the power of kt. A is equal to C into e to the power of kt. Plus 1. T is equal to 0, initial stage. Time t is equal to 0. A is equal to A naught. Substitute t is equal to 0 and A is equal to A naught in equation number 1. We have A is equal to A naught. Is equal to e to the power of C into e to the power of 0 t. C. This is equal to C into 1. So A naught is equal to C or C is equal to A naught. Substitute C is equal to A naught. Substitute C is equal to A naught in equation number 1. A is equal to A naught into e to the power of kt. Number this as 2. Number this as 2. Now when t is equal to 5, A is equal to 3 A naught. In equation number 2, 3A naught is equal to a naught e to the power of 5t. T is 5, so 5k e to the power of 5k. A naught cancel, so 3 is equal to e to the power of 5k. 3 is equal to e to the power of 5k. Next, first condition is t is equal to 5, a is equal to 3 times that of initial stage. Next, when t is equal to after 5 years, so 10, a is equal to question, find a. Therefore, a is equal to, in equation number 2, a is equal to a naught. A naught is e to the power of t is equal to 10, k into 10, so 10k. This can be written as a naught e to the power of 5k whole square is equal to a naught e to the power of 5k is 3, so 3 square is equal to 3 square is 9, 9 a naught. This is a. Hence the amount of bacteria, will present after 10 hours. After 10 hours is 9 times the initial amount, the initial stage, initial amount of bacteria. Okay. In the population of a city at any time t, given that the rate of increase of population is proportional to the population at that instant, and that in a period of 40 years the population increased from 3 lakhs to 4 lakhs. 3 lakhs to 4 lakhs. Let P denote the population of a city. Let P denotes the population of a city. The population of a city, and T be the time taken. Population is increasing. Okay. By the given instruction, dP by dt is proportional to the population. This means dP by dt is equal to kp. K is a constant. Now dP divided by p is equal to k into dt. Integrating both sides, we have log p is equal to kt plus log c. Log p minus log c is equal to kt. Log a minus log b is log a by b. Log p by c is equal to kt. P by c is equal to a to the power of kt. P is equal to c a to the power of kt. Number this is 1. When time t is equal to 0, the population of a city is 3 lakhs. When t is equal to 0, P is 3 lakhs. Substitute P is equal to 3 lakhs and T is equal to 0 in equation number 1. We have 3 lakhs is equal to C e to the power of 0. So C is equal to, this means C into 1 month. Therefore C is equal to 3 lakhs. Substitute C is equal to 3 lakhs. Substitute C is equal to 3 lakhs in equation number 1. We have P is equal to 3 lakhs e to the power of kt. Number this as 2. When T is equal to 40, P is equal to 4 lakhs. P is equal to 4 lakhs. Substitute T is equal to 40, P is equal to 4 lakhs in equation number 2. We have 4 lakhs is equal to 3 lakhs into e to the power of 40k. E to the power of 40k. Now divide throughout by 3 lakhs. We get 4 by 3 is equal to e to the power of 40k. E to the power of 40k. Now 40k is equal to 40k is equal to log of 4 by 3. Log of 4 by 3. K is equal to 1 by 40 into log of 4 by 3. Substitute K is equal to 1 by 40 log 4 by 3 in equation number 2. Substitute K is equal to 1 by 40 log 4 by 3 in equation number 2. We have P is equal to 3 lakhs into e to the power of log 4 by 3 whole to the power of 1 by 40 by the power law. By the power law we get 4 by 3 power 1 by 40. E to the power of log 4 by 3 1 power 1 by 40 is 4 by 3 power 1 by 40 is equal to 4 by 3 power 1 by 40. This is the last population. So hence the equation of the electromotive force. The equation of the electromotive force. The equation of the electromotive force. The forces electric circuit containing the resistance and self-inductance is capital E is equal to RI L di by dt, where E is the electromotive force is given to the circuit, R is the resistance, and L is the coefficient of induction. Find the current. Find the current I at that time t where E is equal to 0. When E is equal to 0, first instruction is E is equal to RI L di by dt. E is the electromotive force. Next, L is, R is the resistance, L is the coefficient of induction. Find the current I at that time t when E is equal to 0. Underline the important instruction. By the given instruction, is equal to Ri L di by dt. Divide through by L on both sides. We have Ri plus here Ri plus divide through by L on both sides. We get E by L is equal to Ri by L plus di divided by dt. This is given instruction. T is a linear equation. Now this can be written as di divided by dt plus Ri by L is equal to E by L. This is of the form first order linear differential equation model. This is of the form first order linear differential equation. Here P is R by L. Q is E by L. First integral P dt. Is equal to integral R by L dt is equal to R by L is a constant number. Integral dt is equal to RT divided by L. Now integrating factor is equal to e to the power of integral P dt is equal to e to the power of RT by L. The general solution is y into, in this case, I into e to the power of RT by L is equal to Q is E by L, and integrating factor is e to the power of RT divided by L dt plus C. Y integrating factor is equal to integral Q into integrating factor plus C. This is formula. Okay. Now E by L is a constant. Integral e to the power of RT divided by L into dt plus C into integrating e to the power of RT by L is e to the power of RT divided by L divided by R by L plus C is equal to L cancel. So E by R e to the power of RT divided by L plus C divided by left hand side I into e to the power of RT divided by L divided by e to the power of RT divided by L on both sides. we have I is equal to E by R e to the power of 14 divided by L whole divided by e to the power of 14 divided by L plus C by e to the power of 14 divided by L. This and this are cancelled. E by R plus C into e to the power of minus RT by minus RT divided by L when E is equal to 0, I is equal to E is 0 means 0 first plus C into e to the power of minus RT divided by L. I is equal to C e to the power of minus RT divided by L. Hence the result. Engine of a motor boat moving at 10 meter per second is that of, given that the retardation at any subsequent time equal to the velocity at a time. Any subsequent time is equal to the velocity at time. Find the velocity after 2 seconds. Find the velocity after 2 seconds of switching of the engine. After switching of the engine, that is 2 seconds, the velocity is what? Okay. Now let V be the velocity. Let V be the velocity, and let T be the time taken. T be the velocity and T be the time taken by the given instruction. By the given instruction, dV by dt is proportional to the velocity. In this case, retardation is given. In this case, retardation is given. Therefore, dV by dt is equal to minus V. Variable separable, dV by V is equal to minus dt. Integrating both sides, we have log V is equal to minus t plus log C. Log V minus log C is equal to minus t by C is equal to minus t. V by C is e to the power of minus t. V by C is e to the power of minus. Cross multiplying, V is equal to C e to the power of minus t. Number this as 1. When initial stage t is equal to 0, V is equal to 10 meter per second. Substitute V is equal to 10 and t is equal to 0. In the above we have 10 is equal to C e to the power of 0. C e to the power of 0 means 1. So 10 is equal to C. C is equal to 10. Substitute C is equal to 10 in equation number 1. Substitute C is equal to 10 in equation number 1. We have V is equal to 10 into e to the power of minus t. Number this as 2. when t is equal to 2, after 2 seconds, when t is equal to 2, v is equal to question mark. So t is equal to 10 into e to the power of minus 2. This can be written as v is equal to 10 into 1 by e to the power of 2. This can be written as v is equal to 10 by e square. Hence the velocity after 2 seconds. Okay. A person deposits 10,000 rupees. 10,000 Indian rupees in a bank account. At the rate of interest is 5%. Amount is 10,000. Rate of interest is 5% per annum. Compounded continuously. So we have to take compound interest will be given from the bank. How much money will be in his bank account 18 months later? 18 months means 1.5 years. Okay. Now by the given letter, amount is 10,000, rate of interest is R, time is T. Okay. Let T be the principal amount and let T be the time taken, and let T be the number of years, and let T be the time taken. Next, by the given instruction, dp by dt is proportional to p. dt is equal to p into some percentage. So p into 5%, 5 by 100 is equal to 0.05 p. Now variable separable. dp by p is equal to 0.05 into dt. Integrating both sides, we have log p is equal to 0.05 t plus log c. Log p minus log c is equal to 0.05 t. Log a minus log b is log a by b. Log p by c is equal to 0.05 t. P by c is equal to e to the power of 0.05 into t. Number this is cross multiplying, we have p is equal to c into e to the power of 0.05 t. Number this is 1. When t is equal to 0, time, initial stage, amount is 10,000. Substitute p is equal to 10,000 and t is equal to 0 in equation number 1. We have 10,000 is equal to c into e to the power of 0 is equal to c. So c is equal to 10,000 rupees. 10,000. Okay. Substitute c is equal to 10,000 in equation number 1. We have p is equal to 10,000 e to the power of 0.05 t. 0.05 t. Number this as 2. When t is equal to 18 months, t is equal to 18 months. 18 months means 1.5 years, 3/2 years. Substitute t is equal to 3/2 years in equation number 2. We have substitute t is equal to 3/2 in equation number 2. We have p is equal to 10,000 e to the power of 0.05 into 3/2. 10,000 e to the power of 0.75 0.075. Hence, after 1.5 years, 18 months, the amount will be rupees 10,000 into e to the power of 0.075. Hence the result. A pot of boiling water at 10 degree centigrade is removed at 100 degree centigrade is removed from the stove at that time to 20 and t is equal to 0 and left to cool in a kitchen. After 5 minutes, water temperature has decreased to 80 degree. First 100 degree, cool temperature 80 degree after 5 minutes. Okay, and the other 5 minutes later it has dropped to 65 degree. Determine the temperature of the kitchen. Let capital T be the temperature and let T be the time taken, and let small t be the time taken to cooling. Time taken to cooling by the Newton cooling law. Newton's cooling law, dt divided by dt is equal to, is proportional to T be the temperature, Tm be the, Tm represents the boiling kitchen. So, and let Tm be the temperature of kitchen. So, this is proportional to T minus Tm. After that, dt by dt is equal to some constant k into T minus Tn. dt by T minus Tm is equal to k into dt. Integrating both sides, we have log T minus Tm is equal to kt plus log c. Log T minus Tm minus log c is equal to kt. Log T minus Tm divided by c is equal to kt. So t minus tm c divided by c is equal to e to the power of kt. Cross multiplying, we have t minus tm is equal to c into e to the power of kt. Equation number 1. When t is equal to 0, temperature is equal to 100 degree. Tm is equal to c into e to the power of 0 minus Tm is equal to c. So c is equal to 100 minus Tm. Substitute c is equal to 100 minus Tm. In equation number 1 we have t minus Tm is equal to c 100 minus Tm into e to the power of kt. E to the power of kt. Substitute c in the above. Next line, number this as 2. When t is equal to 5, temperature is equal to 80 degrees. So 80 minus Tm is equal to 100 minus Tm into e to the power of 5k. E to the power of 5k is 80 minus Tm divided by 100 minus Tm. Number this is 3. When t is equal to 0, temperature is equal to 65 degree. Substitute this in equation number 2. We have substitute t is equal to 0 and t is equal to 65. In equation number 2 we have t is 65. Okay, 65 minus Tm is equal to 100 minus Tm into e to the power of minus 10k. Minus 10k. Okay, here minus 5, e to the power of minus 5. Next line, e to the power of, this means 100 minus Tm e to the power of minus 5k whole square. Power of 5k whole square is equal to 100 minus Tm into 80 minus Tm divided by 100 minus Tm whole square. This can be written as 100 minus Tm into 80 minus Tm whole square divided by 100 minus Tm whole square. This and this are cancelled. We get 80 minus Tm whole square divided by 100 minus Tm. Now cross multiplying we have this left hand side 65 minus Tm, 65 100, so 6500 minus 65 Tm minus 100 Tm plus Tm square is equal to 6400 plus a minus b whole square, tm square minus 160 tm. tm square cancel. 6500 minus 6400 is equal to 165 tm minus 160 tm. 100 is equal to 5 tm. So tm is equal to 20 degree C. Hence the result. Today homework, EX number 10.8, sum number 678. Same idea. Any doubt? Reply the message. Thank you.